Watching BM Samuel Kwabado, Badwam TV, Badwam so. Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwase, Ninkwanshan Sam, de Edu Sony, a Badwam Cassia, and some Abatia will move in Radano, 24-hour economy, and Yampa Hontoma, Ebeye Jumaya, the no bebro, Nafia Quablicuma North, and Swababeto Ja, Saba, and Pessia be and I say polling stations are who do be or Evesaton for friend on in Simbin and pay, Medebro Sadum TV, Badwam Cassia, Shame Live or Facebook. /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com ensemi ne nsembebere ewo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die mientie se den nsem ne nchemu ankasa etie NDC amanyoko ne bonto amfie mpino ne adunu nan mu no ade ba kwa na dawani sopa ne se ombefro abanwa ya ombehwe so de 24-hour economy no ebeba so Yami Adom won abefra benwe amenrada ehun hihye nyina wie mu dia me apa ho ntoma ensama mampani di tudwa eni
The 24-hour plus agenda comprises synergistic sub-programs that are tailored to key value chains, and you must have heard the ministers mentioning them. This structure ensures depth and focus. We're not attempting to fix everything everywhere all at once. We're targeting high-impact, job-rich, and export-oriented sectors with strong forward and backward linkages.
Osan edi to just say 24-hour economy a womo edi egu akwemu no womo eko ninim no so how be apie ewo policy nimu a eyade a womo ebeso ano.
This policy is made for Ghana in the future. And so when I say report directly to the president, I don't mean only this president. It will report to the next president and the next president and the next president. The 24-hour plus program will be the catalyst for Ghana's economic growth. And we are sure that it will make Ghana prosper.
Electoral Commission say enable kuma north abatom pesia no so no polling stations ahodo dunkunu bi ohwa ombesa to abani biem won maye ne sebusumi ye wo mu ide to sudu ba ko eye July 11th and asa bato no ebekoso.
Electoral Commission edi abetu dwa se nyame yadoma ablekuma north constituency abato ebesan akoso ewo ho biem na wo mo edi yi eye mrahebedwani a obeko gina wo manfo anamu ewo mrahebedwam ensema wo mu kruchigu nkrata so edi betu dwa no wo mo kire a abato no bekoso ewo polling stations 37 no manfo bekoto aba eye July bosumi no da etoso dubako a eye efiada afiwe mu a ensem no kire a enhyimu a wo mo ekoye no wo manfo a wo mu gina mu ema New Patriotic Party MPP amanyoko no ene National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no results a wo mo enya fi eye polling stations a wo mo party agent agitu mu no returning officers no anhwem na namso ma commission ni to aposifu anim se wo mo banbo na wo mo emfanto saa dwumedi ni so
Osofo a wo hwe energy say ye wo estates ahodo bi a won mo twe enyina kanea efemu na safo no ye de wo mo kwa kogina da ka mu na se de mra na ka fa ho no ene won modi.
ACG has also constituted some task force and they are making progress. Because recently, you would have heard that some estates have been busted and we are arranging them before court. I'm happy to announce that there have been some significant improvement in the revenue collection following these measures that we've put in place.
Osan edi to just say wo manfo a wo mo abom trimupo aka wonu abom se wo mo de wo mo benam kwan bone so edi meters a enfri ECG ebebo wo mo efie ene enwuma ahodo mu no safo no emra ene o mo bedi ni nyonyonyo.
Ordinarily it's ECG that has the mandate to install meters, and so we are working on an LI to be submitted to Parliament so that those who otherwise own such meters, the penalty and the penal measures will be quite severe to serve as a deterrent. And so we've been arresting people, we've been prosecuting them. In fact, there's a dedicated court for such offenses. And so in collaboration with this House, we intend to bring that legislation so that we can make the punishment severe.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Ogusotion na country lead Dema Clean Air Fund Desmond appear say we na so biade no hojimu bi musie emfuturo ni efia awodo se Africa to se firi adwuma mu ni nyina no yade a ese yem from a ye home ebewi akire no na akonya nsunso so bone wo ye lungs ho a ene won mo kasa efa ho.
Adult onset asthma, inquara asthma, diabetes, lung diseases, information na say e kosoro. Enti e wose etu anamon. Enti ye pe action, ye pe say omo wo 2 min no etu anamon. Ne ye gidi say kroma enyina de oma no otum. E fresh a number si e de WhatsApp no to ho a o metimi aboa ama ahye wo mo eso mutu anamon no kutupa. No mudi ayejuma
enkyekere wono wepie mu ewo odona station ewo enkramante mu hanam so ema Alhaji Isa Muhammad wono eye vice chairman de ma station yi enso de sesei eto aban enim
uso ye kwan nankasa no pollution edi man na nya pollution kitwa enti ye say aban no bomodi no onye den no onye oye ekwan na anka na waye mrabi no de atasu se na be abibia bekoso ndi kakra wo ami meka no yen hwe ehunsu ye se na be bibia bekoso ye nyankopon onfi soro onba emba kache wo se tinasiye odi be fa obi aso nti nyankopon di afa omuso a omudi abobo amanye nti wo se so yen den yen som
GIZ ni African Union Commission ni ECOWAS na aka won ho aboma wode ntetie bi ama eye mpanifo ahodo a ewo 12 cities ewa bibre amemo our my Ghana ka ho entity a efa to renche mu sensu yiri no mni ade ha we de ba no ye de won mo fa entity no mu akase no etwaso.
The project will support selected interventions with financing to deliver those initiatives and interventions. We recognize that the funding may not be enough for 12 cities, but we are starting with the knowledge, the tools, the processes, and then the financing follows. So the starting point really is the essence of what capacity building is all about, and that's what it's focusing on.
Technical Director Aonunso ene wo asweye a woman na climate change and sustainability. Eso Sidri Zelu edi to just say
the AU, AMA, ECOWAS, GIZ and resilience initiatives to join him to make this call that the climate impact that Africa, Ghana is facing, that it is borrowing to address is not our doing, and that it is about time we begin to start a conversation on climate debt forgiveness.
Head Project Resilience Initiative Africa, and so Eddie to just say.
And this is the core from where we are working from. So disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation in the urban setting is what we want to address with the project. And we know that this is a huge challenge, and we know we cannot do this alone.
Ghana Statistical Service in Penifo Apau, a year second phase, a integrated business establishment survey. No. Eho entoma na ni nyina no eyesa kunta bia wonu bebu wo mayi hu no ebeye nia ebeboa na moman no so akwanim
for so ye training omo a ye se omo kwaji data nambra no so omo so ye ka tro omo say adwuma yi nke ye se ye tua mo ka na omo kwaji data nambra ye ntimi ntua because in fact data, the benefits that data brings to you is so high that you person value and you can't mean to cry. But yeah, you could data no, yeah, then yeah, Ghanaians. And in fact, we should be proud that we've been called to undertake such a national assignment. Now, Obiankai, whether you omo collected data no, and I say, omo data that is famous, say, it has been established, say, yet immediate data. Maybe you spend $1 and the collected data. Data no returns are MIN, benefits are data no MIN. I $32.
Echino Dr. Idris Sunday at the Selecoma or Monfort, I did you who do you say?
The data no, some of it is very, shall I say, sensitive. And you know, we should handle it with the strictest of confidentiality because someone yansa or more data no one yet. Nisa, let's say, Bia, Mama Obi Dadamo, na mo de data no edi agra eno no sa no enya wo pena e de problem beba o de problem beba ama Ghana Statistical Service nyina.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no memfansi ha medase emrani adaje a wo de ma yen wada wo ma twen yen ye wo de bonkrata ne Adom online stories ni bi wa ha ye de to so ye nche kra medi afia amankwa tamaklo.